In recent times, the air that we breathe has become a topic of concern that goes well beyond casual conversation. Have you been wondering what on earth they're putting in the air? Now, you guys are certainly noticing all the smoke, right? The skies are ablaze with smoke, not just from local wildfires in the United States, the Maui wildfires and the Canadian wildfires.
Stuck in a line of cars, had minutes to escape before the flames engulfed the road out.
This is a disaster.
That drive through hell is how Rafa Ochoa and his family made it out alive.
But this is happening on a global scale, guys. Have you noticed the increased frequency that these spontaneous wildfires have been occurring? I'm pretty sure you've noticed the chemtrails from the airplanes, huh? Now, while some might attribute this to natural phenomena, there's more than meets the eye when it comes to what you're inhaling. Have you ever wondered about the peculiar scent of wildfire smoke? Sometimes it's reminiscent of burning plastic. But why does it smell like that? These observations that you guys have been asking me about in the comments of previous videos, it has led me to uncover this very complex web of toxic gases and compounds that are impacting our environment and ultimately our health. And this is serious, folks. It's no wonder that the number of health-related complications from cancer to migraines are increasing right here in the United States and around the world. And with that said, I would like to thank the sponsor of today's video, Aeon Biopharma. More about them later in today's video. I don't know if you may have noticed some other really odd things happening. Many of you have let me know that you recently discovered that you were unexpectedly unsubscribed from my channel. Is this because we're spreading too much truth and awareness? Anyway, if you appreciate content like this, make sure to drop a like for the video and also make sure you're still subscribed. Amidst the fiery chaos of wildfires, something very almost insidious is being released into the air, a cocktail of gases that extend well beyond just charred debris. Canadian scientists have revealed the presence of carcinogens like benzene and formaldehyde lurking from within the smoke. Now, according to the atmospheric chemistry and physics page from the EGU, formaldehyde, HCHO, is one of the most abundant non-methane volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, in wildfire smoke emitted by fires. Now, this is concerning, guys. These compounds are classified as Group 1 carcinogens, a classification given to substances with strong evidence of causing cancer in humans. The shockingly high levels of these compounds in wildfire smoke, it has led experts to raise alarm bells. Now, if we connect the dots, what's increasingly prevalent these days? Cancer. The concern doesn't stop at the immediate health risks posed by inhaling such toxic smoke. A disturbing revelation has surfaced. The toxins in the air actually worsen over time. As the smoke ages and lingers in the atmosphere, its toxicity multiplies, exponentially increasing the health risks for those who are exposed. In a world where smoke from distant wildfires can affect us more than we realize, this situation becomes even more ominous. Do you smell the fumes entering the vents of your car or in your home? Perhaps what's most concerning is the silent, gradual decline that these toxins impose on our well-being. And as they seep into our environment, they play the long game, claiming lives far removed from the initial source of the fire. It's a very sinister cycle, wherein the aftermath of toxins might end up being more deadly than the fires themselves. The slow and stealthy nature of the impact poses a significant challenge to our understanding of air quality and the measures required to combat it. Are any of you currently dealing with smoke in your area? How much longer must we deal with this problem? But how does this affect us on a personal level? The answer might lie in an often overlooked but very real symptom: headaches. Prolonged exposure to toxic air can lead to chronic headaches and migraines. The hazardous compounds in the air, including those released during wildfires, it can trigger inflammation, affecting blood vessels and nerve endings. This disruption can manifest as throbbing headaches, often accompanied by symptoms like dizziness and fatigue. In a world where the air we breathe is laden with unseen dangers, awareness becomes our greatest ally, folks. Protecting ourselves and preparing our loved ones requires a multifaceted approach. We can prepare ourselves by wearing proper masks, which might be more than just a simple precaution, all the way to investing in air purifiers and filters that are designed to combat these specific toxins that we can actually take steps to minimize our own exposure. It's a call to action, guys. It's a plea to prioritize safety over complacency. As the skies continue to be painted with ominous smoke and the air that we once took for granted becomes an unseen adversary, it's very crucial to stay informed and vigilant. The links between toxic air and our health are becoming clearer, shedding light on the potential implications for our well-being. By understanding the dynamics of these compounds and their impacts, we can empower ourselves to make informed choices, ensuring that the air we breathe doesn't become a hidden hazard but a source of vitality and life. In a world where medical advancements are changing lives at an unprecedented pace, Aeon Biopharma stands at the forefront of innovation, poised to transform the lives of millions who suffer from debilitating migraines. The recent notice of allowance for their patent heralds a new era in migraine treatment, opening the doors to a brighter future for patients worldwide. Now, folks, take note of the ticker symbol on your screen right now. Aeon, A-E-O-N, trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Now, let's go ahead and delve into the revolutionary strides of Aeon and the potential it holds. Migraines, affecting over 40 million individuals in the United States alone, have long remained a daunting challenge in the medical world. A significant portion of these patients experiences episodic migraines, yet the available neurotoxins primarily cater to chronic migraine cases, leaving a vast gap in effective treatment options. Furthermore, the existing treatment regimen demands 31 injections, raising concerns about potential side effects and the adverse events like brow droop. Aeon Biopharma recognized this critical need for improved migraine solutions, and they embarked on a transformative journey. Aeon's mission is clear: to enhance the quality of life for all migraine sufferers, regardless of the frequency and the severity of their condition. With this commitment, the company designed a phase 2 study to evaluate the efficacy of ABP 450 in both chronic and episodic migraine patients. Now, this groundbreaking approach, it paves the way for a more inclusive treatment label that caters to a broader patient population. A key innovation driving Aeon's progress is its proprietary patented injection technique. Now, unlike the prevailing 31 injection regimen, Aeon's approach involves only 22 injections. This reduction not only streamlines the treatment process, but it also holds the promise of increased safety and tolerability. This innovative approach showcases Aeon's dedication to minimizing risks while maximizing benefits for patients. And Aeon's phase 2 trial goes beyond convention by exploring measurable dose options and investigating novel injection sites such as the jaw and the nasal areas. These innovative sites have the potential to more effectively target the nerve triggers that are actually responsible for migraines. This commitment to continuous improvement exemplifies Aeon's dedication to refining treatment outcomes. Now, at the heart of Aeon's groundbreaking advancements lies ABP 450, which is a remarkable neurotoxin injection. This 900 kDa botulinum toxin type A complex has demonstrated its prowess in significantly alleviating symptoms and enhancing functions in patients grappling with chronic nerve and muscle-based conditions. The injection safety profile and the ability to block the release of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter responsible for muscle contraction, make it a beacon of hope for migraine sufferers. Comment down below if you suffer from migraines or if you happen to know someone who does. Aeon's achievements and prospects are indeed impressive. Proven approval track record, ABP 450, the same botulinum toxin complex that's used for aesthetic purposes, has already secured approvals in the United States, the European Union, and Canada. They've got a focused therapeutic approach. Aeon's unwavering focus on therapeutic treatment eliminates ties to aesthetics, allowing for greater pricing flexibility. Regulatory recognition. The company's manufacturing site has already received approvals from esteemed entities like the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, European Medicines Agency, and Health Canada, underscoring its commitment to quality and safety. The patent milestone has been a huge leap forward. The recent notice of allowance for the U.S. patent application number 17/006685, it marks a significant milestone for Aeon Biopharma. Now, this particular patent, which covers the use of botulinum toxins, including ABP 450 for migraine treatment, it secures the company's place in the forefront of migraine innovation. Valid until 2041, this particular patent not only safeguards Aeon's breakthrough, but it also fortifies its position as a pioneer in therapeutic toxin treatments. We're looking at a future of possibilities here, folks. Aon's president and CEO Mark Forth encapsulates the company's optimism, and I quote, "We believe the streamlined injection protocol has the potential to enhance safety and tolerability." This positive outlook resonates throughout the entire organization as it continues to push boundaries, to explore novel avenues, and to also strive toward breakthroughs that promise a better quality of life for millions. As Aon Biopharma forges ahead, its commitment to improving lives through innovation and compassion remains steadfast. The future holds the promise of more effective, safer, and accessible migraine treatments. Thanks to the visionaries at Aon who are shaping a world where migraines need not be a hindrance to a vibrant life. To stay updated on Aon's journey and the evolution of their uniquely positioned therapeutic toxin, make sure to visit www.aonbiopharma.com. The dawn of a new era in migraine treatment is upon us, and Aon Biopharma is leading the way. If you guys would like to learn more about Aon, be sure to check out the links in the description down below this video, and I will see you guys on the next one.